What if I told you there is one single day in the year where Allah frees more people from hellfire than any other day? One day where your sins can be erased, your du'as can change your destiny, and your heart can return back to Allah. That day is the day of Arafah, and most Muslims still don't realize how powerful it truly is. The day of Arafah happens on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. It is the day before Eid al-Adha. For the pilgrims doing Hajj, this is the most important part of Hajj itself. They stand on the plains of Arafah, crying to Allah, making dua, asking for forgiveness. And for those of us not performing Hajj, this day is still one of the greatest opportunities of the entire year. The Prophet said, "There is no day on which Allah frees more people from the fire than the day of Arafah." Just imagine that. Why is Arafah so important? This day is important for many reasons. It was on this day that Allah completed the religion of Islam. It is a day of mercy, forgiveness, and acceptance of du'as. The Prophet also said, "The best du'a is the du'a made on the day of Arafah," meaning this is not the day to make small du'as only. Ask Allah for everything. Ask Him for healing, for peace, for guidance, for righteous children, for halal rizq, for your future, for Jannah. Nothing is impossible for Allah. Some people carry pain for years, and Allah removes it in one sincere moment of dua. Some people feel distant from Allah, and this becomes the day they return, fasting on Arafah. And if you are not performing Hajj, fasting on the day of Arafah is highly recommended. The Prophet said that fasting on this day expiates the sins of the previous year and the coming year. 2 years of sins forgiven because of one fast. Subhanallah. And it's not just about staying hungry. It's about softening your heart, remembering Allah, making sincere dua, and disconnecting from distractions. What should you do on this day? Pray your salah on time. Make lots of dua. Read Quran. Say dhikr often. La ilaha illa Allah wahdahu la sharika lah. Ask Allah sincerely in your own language. Cry if you need to. Speak to Allah honestly, especially in the last hour before Maghrib. That time is precious. Don't waste the day scrolling endlessly. This day may never come back for us again. Maybe this Arafah is the Arafah that changes your life forever. Maybe this is the day Allah forgives the sins you cry about secretly. Maybe this is the day your heart finally finds peace. So don't let this day pass like any ordinary day. Turn back to Allah. Raise your hands and ask Him for everything. Because on Arafah, destinies can change. If this reminder benefited you, share it with someone you love. And may Allah allow us all to witness the beauty and mercy of the day of Arafah.